Good morning, all. Welcome to YoYo's Cloud channel. So today, let's we have a few more questions about the Salesforce Associate Certified Guide. Here, I'm going to share the few other important questions. Please go through that. If you have any doubt, please comment over the chat. So, I don't want to waste the time. Now, let's start quickly about this few questions. The first question is an associate is working on a change request which at end she wants to deploy in production. What are the right steps she should take? So the one of the associate want to change request to deploy into some production. So here first, what is the first step? Coming to option C, deploy and test in sandbox and deploy and test in production. Option B, deploy in production. Option C, deploy in sandbox and then deploy in production. The first option is first we need to test in sandbox, after then deploy in production and test. So the option is A, deploy and test in sandbox and deploy and test in production. Next question. A manager is creating a dashboard for their team and wants to each team member to receive a copy of the dashboard results by email each week. What should the team members to do ensure they receive their weekly results? So if they want to receive weekly results as per the report dashboard changes, how we has to do? Previously we received this type of questions. The same question is going to repeating, but way of asking is different. So the answer is subscribe to the dashboard. The answer is B. The next question is a non-profit organization wants a cost-effective solution to generate and send a donation acknowledgement automatically to donors via email. Which Salesforce solution should be the consultant recommended? Here the first option, non-profit success pack. So here the non-profit success pack is there. The pack is nothing but like a one type of a uh, one type of community where they will share the donations and sponsorship for particular non-profit organizations. So the answer is non-profit success pack. The answer is A. The next one, what is a report? Report is nothing but we know that report means a list of coming to option C, list of records that meet the criteria you define. This option B, a visual display of key metrics and trends for records in your org. The option C is a list of products that are top sellers. Option D, a chart that displays the data graphically. So as you are seeing the option, the last two are wrong answers. Coming to A and B, A is nothing but displaying a list of records that meet the criteria you defined as per the filter criteria. Coming to B is a visual display. Anyway, we know that report is nothing but not visual display. Just the list of records that meet the criteria as you define. So the answer is A. What is dashboard? The dashboard, you know clearly by seeing these answers. You can say the answer for dashboard is, the option is B, a visual display of key metrics and trends for the records in your org. The next one, what is the difference between the report and dashboard? So as we discussed in previous two questions, as per the definition of report and dashboards, if you follow the options one by one, reports are lists of records while dashboards are charts that display the data graphically. The option B, reports are stored in folder while dashboards are not. Option C, reports are more advanced than the dashboards. Option D, dashboards are visual display of key metrics and trends for records in your org, while reports are lists of records that meet the criteria you define. So report, the first option, either the answer should be A or D. But A is what? Reports are the list of records while dashboards are charts that display the data graphically. So here A is almost similar, but the visual representation is missing. That is the missing in the first option. And without the report, we cannot create a dashboard. So finally we can conclude the answer for this Dashboards are visual display of key metrics and trends for the records in your org, while reports are list of records that meet the criteria you define. Which of the following best describes the use case for the custom objects in Salesforce? A use case for custom objects in Salesforce, we know that custom objects means the custom tables. So coming to options, a custom field on the account object to track a customer's preferred. This is custom field. This is not correct. Creating a custom object to track orders placed by the customers. Track the orders placed by the customers. Option B. Option C. Creating a custom field on the object to track the probability of it. This is about field. But as per the question, they are asking about custom object. Then the option D is creating custom object to track the email sent to customers. So here, the option B is the right answer. Creating custom object to track the orders placed by the customers. So option is B, creating custom objects to track the orders placed by the customers. The next option, which of the following is example of many-to-many relationship in Salesforce? So there is a many-to-many relationships in standard objects also. So coming to options, first option, account has a many contacts. So we know that account and contact, there is no master detail. It's like a lookup only, but it's a some hybrid functionality, hybrid relationship between accounts and contact. We cannot define it is a like a complete master detail relationship, but it is maintains a that equivalent of a relationship. But if you delete the account, contact also gets deleted. Coming to B, a contact has many opportunities. It is also not correct. An opportunity has many products. We'll keep the SC option aside. The coming to D option, a campaign has many campaign members. So sometimes it may happen, sometimes may not be happen. This option D. But the right answer is C. Opportunity has a many products. One opportunity may have a multiple products. One product may have a multiple opportunities. So the option is C. Thank you.